Today on Santa Monica Update.
If you like decorating, we'll show you how you can volunteer to fix up other people's homes.
Santa Monica Update, your source for local news in Santa Monica. Santa Monica Update starts now.
The Santa Monica Rotary Club is a forum for fellowship amongst ethical business and professional leaders. The Upward Bound House is a nonprofit organization supported by the Rotary Club. Upward Bound seeks to prevent homelessness in young families by providing temporary housing. Reporter Tamara Henry shows us that sometimes the best part of their support is decorating.
Family Place is a transitional housing facility with supportive services for homeless families in the Upward Bound House program, a nonprofit charity that's been in place since 1991.
We are on the front lines of the economic recession. What we're doing here is helping families who have lost their homes and helping them stabilize and get back on their feet into permanent housing.
And in trying to come up with a good charity that had a likelihood of winning this grant, we came to a conclusion that Upward Bound is one of the best charities active in Santa Monica.
The apartments are bare. They have a couple of beds and a kitchen table and some chairs. It's an amazing, wonderful experience. It's fun. I get to shop and I get to try to find beautiful things for a family.
Shopping for furnishings with grant money, providing a home makeover for people who've been down on their luck.
I think that the emotion of both the volunteers and what they're putting into it, and also certainly the families, when they open the door for that first reveal and they ask, are we home? Is this where we're going to be? And you see all of that stress go away.
I think they come to find things that maybe they didn't expect they'd have.
All these paintings are so bright and cheery. How many units are there here?
We have 21 units in our Family Place facility.
21, that's a lot of families.
It is.
On average, one unit is furnished every few weeks, and it takes about $1,000 to decorate. It's a launching pad. Clients feel more grounded with homey surroundings and are more able to find their inner peace.
Well, I got my peace back, and that allowed me to, function how I needed to function in society to, handle the business, be a full-time dad.
But then, there's a continuing, search for employment for the people, for them to move on to the next phase of their life. And to make it, even more complete, when that time comes, they get to take all the furnishings with them as a gift.
All of this decorating effort makes for a cozier home while families are upward bound. Reporting for Santa Monica Update, I'm Tamara Henry.
Members of the community who wish to volunteer with the decorating effort should call the Santa Monica Rotary Club at 310-917-3313. You're also invited to visit the website upwardboundhouse.org. Well, that's it for this edition of Santa Monica Update. I'm Kina Chin, and for all of us at City TV, thanks for watching.